Welcome back. Today I'm bringing you a new unboxing. So I got a new pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro since my last one died, and the last one were the Galaxy Buds Pro. So since I use Samsung phones, I tend to stick with their branded earbuds, but mine just died. It stopped charging, so I ended up going over and grabbing the Galaxy Buds 2. So today we're going to be unboxing them and showing you what everything looks in the package. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so here we have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And before I open that up real quick, I will be showing you what the Galaxy Buds Pro were like. So the case, just comparing based on what I've seen, looks the same. So this is how it looks. It has this shiny color to it. As you can see my two lights on top. And the buds also are shiny. So let's close that up and let's do the unboxing. So here's the box. And the box tend to come closed on both sides. I already cut that open. And it says 5 to 18 hours playtime. Noise canceling, basically kind of what this one was. Probably better over here, or maybe the same. So let's open it real quick. And this is how it comes packaged. Buds come over here, and we have the cable. And in the middle will be most likely earpieces. So, and what I found from the past, usually what it comes with pre-installed fits me well. Most likely it is the medium size. So let's take it out here. You could either rip it or slide it open. So as you can see, comparing both, they're literally the same size. Maybe this one's just slightly smaller. So one is shiny and one has this texture feeling to it. But everything about it seems to be the same from each side to the front to the bottom. And now one thing about this that I have noticed is that that texture could be rubbed off. So you can see right there. So let's put that over there. So let's open it up real quick and see what's inside here. So here are the buds. Actually, let's grab this back here real quick and open that up. See, here's the inside of them. This one says sound by AKG. This one doesn't say that anywhere that I noticed. But other than that, you have, I guess, a little speaker here for the sound, passive sound, and noise canceling. I believe it uses that and the surrounding speakers. It is the back here, and this one got moved over to the front. As you can see, everything about the whole one is just shiny. I do like the look of the new one. It has that texture feeling to them. Not smooth. And they have that magnetic feeling. That's the light when it's fully charged, and it'll be red when it's charging. I believe those are the only two colors that it shows up. All right, so that's all that comes in the packaging. The cable, the earbuds replacement, and that's it. So I hope you like that quick unboxing. Samsung Buds has been my go-to for the last 5 years since they first introduced wearable buds. Because I always use Samsung, so it just plays right just to stick with what they make. Anyways, hopefully it lasts me more than 1 year, because all of this Once the manufacturer warranty expires, they all go dead. That one expired like 2-3 months ago. It went dead. So I just got a new pair, and like, let's hope it lasts me longer than a year. But the thing is, I'm a heavy wearer. I wear all the time, and it's always in my pocket. As you can see, the other one is fully scratched, and I have survived. And I have a very intensive job. And to me, these are just a tool to, you know, carry around. As you can see, being in my pocket literally every day. This is the old one. And maybe that's why it's very shiny now. But it's always been in my pocket. It has survived plenty of falls. Yeah, that's another fall here there. It just went everywhere. But they're all dead, so it don't matter at this point in time. All right, hope you liked the unboxing. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.